Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for clicking on a link for our Skoda KODIAQ 1.5 TSI SEL 5-door DSG KR20 YVM. Just inside the interior you've got the part leather, part suede seats, as well as the push to start function. Now this vehicle also has an electronic tailgate, 2 extra seats to make it a 7-seater. So just inside the interior of the vehicle, as you see, the vehicle's done 3,148 miles. The vehicle has front and rear parking sensors, heated front seats, dual climate control zones, and a DSG gearbox. This vehicle is also equipped with satellite navigation. So if you'd like any more information, please contact Marshall Skoda in Croydon on 0208 686 8844. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.